Today we are going to see about the weightage marks of biology. There are 4 chapters in Unit 1. Chapter 1, the Living World. Chapter 2, Biological Classification. Chapter 3, Plant Kingdom. Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. We expect 7 questions from this chapter, that is 28 marks from this chapter. Unit 2, Structure Organization in Plants and Animals. In this unit we have 3 chapters. Chapter 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Chapter 6, Anatomy of Flowering Plants. Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Plants. In this unit, we expect 2 to 3 questions from these chapters. Okay. Unit 3, Cell Structure and Functions. There are 3 chapters in this unit. Chapter 8, Cell, the Unit of Life. Chapter 9, Biomolecules. Chapter 10, Cell Cycle and Cell Division. In this unit, we expect 4 to 5 questions. Unit 4, Plant Physiology. There are 5 chapters in this unit. Chapter 11, Transport in Plants. Chapter 12, Mineral Nutrition. Chapter 13, Photosynthesis in Higher Plants. Chapter 14, Respiration in Plants. Chapter 15, Plant Growth and Development. We expect 4 to 5 questions from this unit. Unit 5, Human Physiology. There are 7 chapters in this unit. Chapter 16, Digestion and Absorption. Chapter 17, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. Chapter 18, Body Fluids and Circulation. Chapter 19, Excretory Products and their elimination. Chapter 20, Locomotion and Movement. Chapter 21, Neural Control and Coordination. Chapter 22, Chemical Coordination and Integration. In Class 12, we have 5 units and 16 chapters. Class 12, Unit 6, Reproduction. Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms. Chapter 2, Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. Chapter 3, Human Reproduction. Chapter 4, Reproductive Health. In this unit, we expect 20 marks, that is 5 questions from this unit. So, please concentrate in these lessons also. Okay. Unit 7, Genetics and Evolution. Chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Chapter 7, Evolution. In this unit, we expect 7 to 9 questions from these 3 chapters. Unit 8, Biology in Human Welfare. Chapter 8, Human Health and Disease. Chapter 9, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Chapter 10, Microbes in Human Welfare. There are 3 chapters in this unit. We expect 3 to 5 questions from this unit. Unit 9, Biotechnology. Chapter 11, Biotechnology Principles and Processes. Chapter 12, Biotechnology and its Appliances. In this unit, expecting 2 to 3 questions from this unit, Biotechnology. Unit 10, Ecology. There are 4 chapters in this unit. Chapter 13, Organisms and Population. Chapter 14, Ecosystem. Chapter 15, Biodiversity and Conservation. Chapter 16, Environmental Issues. In this unit, Ecology, we expect 3 to 5 questions from this unit. So, prepare well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.